Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models. The Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker, known for its quick production of standard bullet ice, and the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker, which creates soft, chewable nugget ice. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to see which one stands out as the better choice for your home or office. Let's get started. The Antarctic Star produces standard bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks but tends to melt faster. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker creates soft, chewable nugget ice that is perfect for cocktails and soft drinks, providing a delightful texture and longer-lasting chill. This difference in ice type is crucial for those who prioritize the quality of their ice. When it comes to daily ice production, the Antarctic Star can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is suitable for small gatherings or personal use. However, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker excels with a capacity of 40 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger families or frequent entertaining. This significant difference in capacity could be a deciding factor for many buyers. Price is another critical factor to consider. The Antarctic Star is priced at just $69, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker comes with a premium price tag of $469, reflecting its advanced features and higher ice production capacity. It's essential to weigh these costs against your ice-making needs and preferences. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star and Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you're looking for an economical and portable option, the Antarctic Star is a great choice. However, if you prioritize high-quality nugget ice and larger production capacity, the Aeitto is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.